The recommendations dashboard delivers prioritized, actionable guidance to strengthen endpoint security, surfacing what to patch, which devices are at risk, and which users need attention, so your team always knows what to fix first. Showing 75 recommendations. Overall, 20 are missing updates, exposing unpatched risks, and 55 are others, mainly related to configuration change or a component requiring attention. Selecting the 20 missing updates shows its breakdown across the devices. Drill through on Microsoft OLED. By right-clicking on it reveals that Microsoft OLED requires an update. The recommendation name column defines the exact action required for remediation, and URL helps us in downloading it.